video, I'm going to demonstrate a working proof of concept for a remote code execution vulnerability in N8N. This vulnerability affects N8N versions prior to the patch releases, where expression evaluation is not properly isolated. This is a hands-on POC showing how an authenticated user with workflow edit access can execute system commands on the N8N server. This demonstration is shared strictly for security research and defensive awareness. I'm logged into an N8N instance using a regular user account that has workflow edit permissions. First, I create a new workflow. Now I add a set node to the workflow. This is a standard node used to define variables and values. Inside the set node, I click Add Field. I give the field a normal name, nothing suspicious. For the value, I switch the input into expression mode. At this point, N8N will evaluate whatever JavaScript expression is provided server-side when the workflow runs. Now I paste the payload into the expression field. This payload uses a JavaScript function to access the Node.js runtime, load the child process module, and execute a system command using exec-sync. The first command I run is id, which is commonly used to confirm code execution on Linux systems. I save the node configuration. Now I execute the workflow. Pay attention to the output. You can see that the response contains the output of the id command. This confirms that the JavaScript expression was evaluated, the system command was executed, and the output was returned inside the workflow result. This proves server-side command execution. To further confirm the impact, I modify the command. This time, I attempt to read the pass.wd file. This file contains user account information and is commonly used as a proof of execution target. I save the changes and execute the workflow again. As you can see, the entire contents of the pass.wd file are returned in the output. This confirms arbitrary command execution file system access, and that the payload is running with the same privileges as the N8N process. At this point, an attacker could execute any system command, read sensitive files, extract environment variables, or establish persistent access. All of this is possible using only workflow edit access. No administrator privileges are required. This vulnerability affects vulnerable N8N versions before the official patch. To mitigate, update N8N to one of the following secure versions, or later, if you're running N8N in a production or shared environment, review workflow permissions immediately and update to a patched version as soon as possible. If you found this proof of concept useful, please consider subscribing for more security research and practical demonstrations.